Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and ICIT exam final preparation strategy video. So as you know already our exam is scheduled on 21st of May. So hardly 12 days, 13 days we have in our hand, right? So now in this video I will touch three important questions. First thing, what is your mock test schedule? Okay. Second, for specifically for electronics communication student, how you can handle Samir and ICIT exam both, how to prepare both parallelly. Okay. And the third important question, how to prepare in this remaining time. Let's start the video. Okay, so your mock test 1 will get live on 10 May 3 p.m, mock test 2 14 May 3 p.m, and mock test 3 17 May 3 p.m. Already your block 1 is going on, so those who didn't join MSP yet, okay, I will recommend you to join MSP to follow block wise strategy and mock test, which is most important. Okay, so how to join MSP? Those who are from computer science, you can click on the link which I am giving in the comment section, okay, of computer science branch, and those who are from electronics, join MSP of electronics. Okay, here it is written Master Pack Computer Science. Okay, so for 6 months you can see the price. Also you can join for 14 months, no problem in that. And every detail obviously it is written here, and I made the video also. If you don't watch that, you can just read the description. Okay, now when you will join this, first important thing, complete your registration. Our team will help you in that, and then start with block wise strategy. Okay, every guideline I have given in the block wise strategy. Okay, so already we started from 6 May to 10 May, and 4 to 5 subjects we are targeting in this. So like this, slowly we divided your whole syllabus in blocks, and for the last 15 or 12 days you will get dedicated part for your preparation. Okay, so now those who are from computer science, you can skip this segment. This is specifically for electronics communication. Very important, two exams are scheduled, okay, back to back. That is for Samir scientist post and ICRT scientist B post. Okay, both organizations are superb, both posts are good, salary wise also, and all the things are there which is required by an aspirant, right? So now it is possible. First question, it is possible to handle both the exams parallelly? The answer is yes. Okay, the second question, how? So let me answer this for you. First of all, do not put your so much energy by thinking whether I should prepare for Samir, whether I should prepare for ICIT. Okay, if you join Master Success Pack, that is our MSP, then you will have everything what is required. Because remember, our purpose of MSP to target multiple recruitment, and it is made for this scenario only, where we have two exams. First is your Samir and second is your ICRT, and now we can parallelly target the two exam, and we will try to get offer letter of both at a time. Samir also, ICIT also. It should be your final decision whether to go for Samir scientist and ICIT scientist B. Okay, so in such place I want you guys to be. Okay, so now see basically how we will do. Just quickly I will tell you guys. See, basically both exams, Samir and ICIT, have different exam pattern and different nature also. Yes, completely different exam. Okay, so basically what we will do, what is your strategy? Here you can see the overlapping part. Okay, means some syllabus or some pattern of questions will be definitely same for both the exams, right? So already I included this thing in your block wise strategy. So basically whatever will be your overlapping thing, everything is covered in block wise. Okay, so you have two sheets now, Samir sheet and ICIT sheet. You will observe that some tests are same in both. Okay, that is our overlap part, that is this part. And definitely the separate individual part we are handling through block wise for Samir specific sheet and for ICIT specific sheet. Okay, and specific exam specific, that is your mock test. Okay, through mock test we will deal Samir pattern, and through mock test we will deal your ICIT pattern. Okay, simple thing, means what, you have MSP with you, no need to worry, just follow the guideline, follow the block as it is, that's it. Okay, and definitely if you have anything you can talk with me, there is no problem there. Now most important thing, basically now we have exam on 17th of May, first exam, and second exam we have on 21st of May, that is your ICRT. Okay, so see, those who are preparing for both exam, your 17th May is gone. Okay, you have 18, 19 and 20. So what I will recommend, finish all the mock test including ICRT and Samir, because ICRT mock test third will get live on 17, so you can give it on 18 or 19, like that, it's up to you. Okay, but before that Samir 3 mock test and ICRT 2 mock test, that is 5 mock tests you can complete. So complete this 5 mock tests till now, and this is strictly okay, compulsory, and then go for Samir exam and then you can give ICIT last mock test, revise on 18, 19, 20, and then on 21st go for ICIT exam. Okay, so with this, like this, you can definitely target, and it is achievable goal to get into the both Samira and ICIT. Both IGP interview guidance program is in our master pack. Every process detail, whatever is required to get selection, everything is our master success pack. Okay, so don't worry about interview and everything, our IGP is there. Now your focus is to get maximum score in your exam, so that 80 to 90% of your selection will get confirmed here. Okay, do not depend on the interview and everything things. Okay, so this is the final guideline I want to give you, and I hope you got the answer, and I hope you are feeling relaxed now. Yes, you can handle both the things. Just you need to practice the sheet, whatever I give you for Samira and ICIT. Okay. Okay. Now for electronics communication, what are the important and top subject for your ICIT exam? The list is here. First is network and cyber security. Okay, 7 to 10 questions you can expect. It may be more also, but not less. Analog and digital communication, 5 to 8 questions. Again, it will be more also, but not less. Okay. Then analog and digital circuits. Now basically these are the two subjects. First is our analog electronics and second is our digital electronics. But still they combine it. Okay, you can expect from this 4 to 6, or you can expect greater number also. Okay. And for engineering mathematics, 4 to 7 questions you can expect. So if you calculate this, so minimum 20 and maximum 31 question, up to 31 question you can expect only from these 4 subjects. Okay. And from remaining subject, just 4 to 5 questions each you can expect. It depends. Okay, but see, these are the high weightage topic. Okay, so each and every topic under this you should have perfectly known. Okay, you should have the confidence in that topic. So definitely no need to worry about network cyber security. Already through blocks we will cover it. Okay, whatever questions are possible I will make in your mock test. Okay, so just go through your mock test properly, observe the blocks, revise, and just keep doing the preparation. Okay, no need to do separate things. And till your 10th May you can finish the ICIT syllabus. Okay, don't touch any new topic after 10 May, because it will definitely degrade your overall preparation. Okay, after 10 May only revision is required. Now suppose some topics are there which you skip, okay, and that are in your block wise and mock test, then you need to do through solution. Okay, because obviously that is important, that's why it is there in your block and mock, correct? But if it is not, then you can perfectly skip it, no problem in that. Next, from computer science, so basically what subjects are very, very important for you. Okay, so here is the list. You can see 4 subjects from technical and 1 is your Indian mathematics. From rest of the subject also you can expect little questions, but these are the most important and high weighted subject I can say for your ICT exam. Okay, first is networks and cyber security, from which you can expect total 7 to 10 questions. Then computer networks, okay, 6 to 8 questions you can expect. DBMS 4 to 6 questions, and algorithm 3 to 4 questions you can expect. Okay, engineering mathematics also 4 to 7 questions you can expect. So these are the high weightage subject for your ICT exam. So minimum you can see 24 to maximum 35 questions only you can expect out of this. Okay, means almost 50% syllabus out of 78 you can expect from these 5 subjects. Okay, from rest of subject little questions you can expect. Right now here important thing is that it may go up also. Okay, but it will not go down. So you can expect from algorithm 5 to 6 also they can ask. Okay, then DBMS also they can increase. Okay, computer network also they can increase. So just be ready for that. For engineering mathematics up to 7 or maximum up to 8-9 question they will ask. Okay, most important thing, up to 10th May try to finish your syllabus of ICRT. Okay, no need to touch any new topic after 10 May. After 10 May I want only revision point, your revision part, right? So how to do this? Definitely our block and mocks are there, that will be enough. Just follow that completely and you will get everything done. Okay, now most important thing, 2 important thing, that sectional cutoff is there. Okay, 50% for UR, 40% for OBC, 30% for SST, and your negative marking of 0.25 also there. So just be careful while writing Samir exam, and because of sectional cutoff lots of candidate will go out. Okay, so because it is what 78 in technical and 42 in non-technical. Okay, for your 50% means you can see here you want compulsory 39 out of 78, and here you want compulsory 21 question. If here you will get 20 also, then you are out of the recruitment. Okay, so sectional cutoff will play a bigger role and very important role. Just be careful in that. For non-technical part of this 42 question, key box is there in your MSP, block wise your mock test is there, that will be enough. And if you are continuing your Telegram PDF practice daily for aptitude, reasoning and English, yes, English is also there, so apti reasoning and English is there. Okay, and of English just do grammar part and some synonym antonym part. That's it. No need to do comprehension वगैरह. Okay, again they can ask you, but still major focus will be on grammar also. Okay. So this block-wise strategy will give you a path for the next 15 days. Okay, the blocks are very important, which will help you to revise the things. You need to follow this blindly, right? Then mock test purpose. Mock test will act as a question bank also. So whatever questions will be there in your mock test, do that properly. Okay, and through mock test you will get clear ICIT exam pattern or feeling. Okay, so just give it seriously for just treat as your real exam and give it. Okay, and also just do little variation, like in first mock start with technical, in second mock start with non-technical, and observe your performance. Okay, and finalize your section in either of the mocks or through the mocks. Okay, I hope you understand the purpose. Then stop preparation after your 10th May, and specifically for those who have their ICIT exam as a last attempt. Okay, specifically if you are on the age 28-29 general. Okay, I will strictly recommend you guys to join Masterchef Pack. Do not take risk, because I don't want that you will lose the opportunity to get the government job because of your age. Okay, so this is your last attempt, so put everything for next 12 days. Okay, कुछ नहीं होगा last 12 days से. So just put your everything, and definitely with proper guidance and mentorship you can get the things. Okay, also it depends that what you did so far. Okay, but still main thing is that, see, everyone complete the syllabus. Okay, everyone complete the syllabus, but main thing is that how you will handle this last 15 days, because this is the game changing 15 days, last 15 days for any computer exam. Okay, here you need to be specific, you need to be smart to handle the things as per your exam pattern or nature. Okay, and that thing definitely you will get in through our mock test or MSP, that is Master Essay Pack. Correct? So yeah, if you have any query, any doubt, you can connect to me on Instagram, Telegram, WhatsApp, and just all the best for ICIT exam. Once admit card will get out, I will notify you. Okay, for that join WhatsApp group to stay updated. Also you can join Telegram group. All the best.